victims of that particular chopper crash already there. We saw the arrival of the body of the late Member of Parliament. So what is the latest? Is the head of state expected to land there any minute from now?
Thank you very much, Keitan. Indeed, we are here at Emurua Dikirr Primary School, where the funeral service of the area MP, the late Johana and his four aides who were in that ill-fated chopper crash. And we at the moment we have thousands of residents already arriving here and ready to bid farewell to their late MP. But at the moment we have news that River Mogor, which is between this location and as you head towards Sotik area, the river has burst its bank following a very heavy downpour, and very many people are still stranded there waiting for the waters to subside so that they can make their way to this particular place. Fortunately, the area where bodies of the deceased persons had kept, the body of Johana and that of Wycliffe Rono had been kept at their respective homes here within the constituencies, while the other three were kept at Kilgoris in a funeral home. They are waiting for this funeral service that was to happen here today. The bodies have already been brought here, and the residents are very upbeat to ensure that they they pay their last respects to their fallen MP. And for now, we have leaders from different parts of the country, including governors and members of parliament, already here waiting for the arrival of the head of state, the President William Ruto and his deputy Kithure Kindiki, among other top government officials, ready to arrive here so that the service can kick off. And as we can see, we have very high security presence at this particular place to ensure that everything goes on smoothly. And we had spoken to some of the residents yesterday. They had expressed that they want a very peaceful funeral service, and yesterday there was some little bit of clash between some of the politicians, some who the residents felt that they were not actually welcome maybe to speak at that particular moment. But today we are expecting that the mood might be a little bit different with the president around, and maybe everyone will have a chance to speak and address the mourners. And with me here are some of the mourners who have already arrived, starting with you. Maybe you can tell us your name and maybe tell us what you know about Johana Ngeno, what you can say about his personal life.
Thank you. My name is Victor Pet, formerly known as Master. I'm coming from the network, Kuresoi constituency in Nakuru County. Today we come here to gather here to mourn our hero, our champion, our leader, who had been valuing everybody, not people of Emurua Dikirr, but even us in Nakuru County. He was our leader. As a Kalenjin community, mostly Kipsigis, we are really disappointed to lose a leader like Ngeno. Ngeno was a leader who, us as Kalenjin, we see him to become a leader in this country in some years coming ahead. So really for us, we're really disappointed, and we come here to mourn with the residents of Emurua Dikirr and to tell them it is not the end of the road. We really hope many things about God to give us strength, to comfort us, and to give strength during this difficult time. Thank you.
Maybe you have said that you come from Kuresoi, Nakuru County. That is very many kilometers from this area. How was Mheshimiwa Ngeno in terms of interacting with leaders beyond his constituency?
I remember one time Ngeno, he came to my constituency, Kuresoi South. He came with the first governor for Bomet, Mheshimiwa Isaac Ruto, and he came with a very good development. He came to and build a classroom at the school known as Kapket Secondary School. And Ngeno also come to Kiptakich in anniversary of JP, and he gave his support to JP. Ngeno was a leader with a good heart of the people and for the people. Yeah.
Thank you very much indeed. As he said that Ngeno was a leader beyond borders, and you stand here. Thank you very much. Tell us your name, and I can see that you are a musician. You say that you are a musician. Tell us, how did Ngeno help you as musicians?
Yo, kwa majina naitwa Boss Costa. Huyu Ngeno mheshimiwa wetu ametusaidia sana kama wasanii. So ni ile hata moyo yangu iko mzito sana. Sijui ndasema nini, ila tu mimi naomba tu Mungu atuchagulie, yani atutolee mtu mwingine kama Ngong, atusaidie kama wasanii, kwa sababu mimi ni upcoming artist. Ndio sasa bado nilidhani siku moja ataniinua mkono, lakini sasa tasema nini maneno ya Mungu.
Pole. You can see the emotions are very high here. Starting with your name, you can tell us maybe how you feel about this, and maybe what do you expect of today?
My name is Isaac Rono. I come from Kericho County, Litein, Chimosot Ward. It is very sad. It's a sad moment. We have lost a great leader. He's a leader who had no boundaries. It is a great sorrow. And I want to say that Johana was a leader who had no bounds, limits in terms of helping people in the society. He was just a leader for Emurua, Dikirr, but when it comes to helping, he just visited all the places. I want to say that as Kipsigis, we have lost a leader. I want to say that may God help us. I know we are going to get another leader, but this leader will remain in our hearts. I want to say that sincerely, we are sorry to the Kipsigis, and may God help us. Thank you.
We had people saying that Mheshimiwa Ngong had a good relationship with even the communities around here, even the Maasai, who he does not come from the Maasai community, but he had a very good relationship with. How did he manage to keep maybe peace and unity among you and your neighbors from other counties?
I want to say that Ngeno was a leader for both, let me not say that for just a constituency. When we come to Narok, when we go to Kericho, Nakuru, bringing together the people through music, through the fundraising, through education. So when you see Ngeno was just a country leader because of giving all opportunities to schools, helping Mama Mbogas, fundraising. So I can say that he was a man of unity. He wanted to bring the nation together so that we can prosper together. So that's what I can say about Ngeno.
Okay, thank you very much. Maybe we can have the next person here. Maybe you can tell us where your name and where you come from. Please stand here and maybe tell us how do you feel about the loss of Johana Ngeno and other people, including his personal assistant and the other photographer, the videographer, and impacted this particular.
Waweze kututumbuiza na nyimbo ambazo zinaweza. Asante. Kwaya wanapoendelea kujiandaa, tafadhali ninaomba tena kwa heshima wale wenzetu ambao wako nje, ninaomba tuhakikishe kwamba hatujaziba mahali pa kuingilia tafadhali. Tuhakikishe kwamba hapo kwa entrance tafadhali, so that tusisukumane masaa nyingine. Vile MC mwenzangu amesema, wananchi, rais wa nchi ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto anajiunga na sisi hapa kwa ajili ya hii shughuli yetu ya siku ya leo. Na kwa hivyo ninaomba sisi wote jamani, wale bado tayari kuchukua sehemu zao, that we take our position and prepare ourselves to begin the church service so that program yetu leo iende bila tashwishi.
His personally impact on the learners in terms of maybe supporting their education at a personal level.
Through the bursary, Ngong took the role of the orphans. He paid the school fees. For example, the school I work in, 50% of the learners school were paid through the bursary, the office of the Ngong. So Ngong, through construction of schools, if you move around the schools, you'll see that most of the classrooms were built by the CDFs. So his role in education was at high level. So I don't know who will work on his behalf. The PS and the CDF staff will say Paul, because we've lost somebody who was so strong and had passion in education.
Thank you very much. Maybe you can speak to a lady here. Mama, karibu sana na poleni sana kama wakazi wa hapa. Pengine unaweza ukatueleza kifo cha Mheshimiwa Ngeno kimewaguza vipi wakazi wa eneo hili?
Kwa majina yangu naitwa Lucy Mwangaza, mtetezi wa wanyonge. Nimetoka Nakuru County. Nimekuja kushirikiana na watu wenye wamekuja hapa, tushirikiane pamoja, tumsindikishe mwenda zake. Kitu yenye sasa tunaweza sikia vibaya kama wana Nakuru County, mtu alikuwa anashikiria kutoka watu wa chini kwenda juu, na hiyo ni kitu